Hello, everybody. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a blessed and prosperous day or night, wherever it is that you are at. And I hope y'all are drinking that water because it is August and it's still the summertime. So I hope y'all are staying hydrated and all that. So I know I've been gone for a long minute. I have not made a long-term video for you guys in forever. I have not. I've been gone. I have posted a few shorts here and there, but I haven't been active on my channel for a while. Life does get in the way, but I want to change that and make more videos for you guys and things like that. But today's video, I'm going to do a dedication video. I have never done a dedication video before. This will be my first one. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite snack, grab your favorite drink and whatever, so we can talk about today's dedication makeup brand. So today's brand I'm going to be talking about is the Natasha Denona makeup brand. I'm really just going to talk about her eyeshadow palettes. Now I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I don't have every single last one of her palettes. I don't. I only have about seven of them, four being the minis, and then like three being the big ones. But yeah. So I will talk about the minis first, and then I'll talk about the big ones next. So yeah. So the first one I'm going to talk about is her mini Metropolis palette. Now, this is a limited edition. I got this, they had like some type of deal going on at Sephora, and it came with a matching brush. So let me just open this for y'all. So this is what she looks like here. Now, I did use this to create a Christmas look last year, I believe. And this definitely works for when you're trying to create a holiday look, especially that green right there in the middle. Like I was using like this color and this color, just these two. And I had the bomb ass holiday look for this one. And I think I said this before. I just said this earlier, just a few minutes ago. This is a limited edition, but okay, yeah, never mind. It is a limited edition, and I because I looked on her website about 2 days ago, and they were completely sold out. So I don't think you can get this anymore. But it is a good palette, mini palette. So the next one I'm going to talk about is her mini X-Non palette. Now this is perfect if you're trying to do like a smoky eye concept here. This is perfect for that. Now I did use this to do my mom's makeup for her birthday last year. She wanted a smoky eye, and of course, me being her daughter, the professional, I did that for her, and she absolutely loved it. And yeah. Um, Whenever I do a smoky eye, me personally, I just use these three colors, just these three right here. That's all I need. And I definitely keep mine's because, like, back when I used to do smoky eyes, back when I was in high school, like, literally, I had like raccoon eyes. But now I perfect it to my liking and to my mom's liking, and other people I've done a smoky eye makeup look, and they seem to love it. And yeah, so this is perfect for that concept. So yeah. So up next, I have here her mini Zendo palette, and this one I can really do like a simple, even like a no makeup look. This is how simple it is. Like I would use like this color and this color, just these two, and maybe this one if I'm trying to do like a more natural makeup look or something, or once again, like I said, a no makeup look. And the one in the middle here is my favorite to put on my eyes. Like I would like I have a bad habit of, rushing when I do my eye makeup, but I'm trying my hardest, y'all, to like try to take my time when I'm doing my makeup. I can't help it. I really can't, but it's a working process for me to like take my time. But yeah, just these three that I do whenever I do want a simple makeup look and I don't want to do too much. This is my go-to, you know. So up next, I have her mini love palette, and I have to honestly say that this is one of my favorites from hers. Like as far as the mini palette goes, this one is like my all-time favorite. Like You cannot tell me otherwise. You cannot tell me otherwise when it comes to like her mini palettes. This one is like literally my favorite. Okay. Now, as you know, like I said, I particularly go from these three colors. And one time I just put a dab of this color on my eyes, and it literally made my eyes just pop, like super super pop. And like, and something, because this is a love palette and it has mostly pinks in here, of course I will have to wear like a pink shirt or something with pink in it to make my makeup look make sense whenever I do use this palette. Now, I'm not telling y'all how to do y'all's makeup or what to wear to match your makeup look. That's on y'all. But I'm just showing you how I do it. It is, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is literally my favorite one of all time. When it comes to mini palettes, of course. So next here we have the Natasha Denona's My Dream palette. And let me tell y'all something. Before I open this to show y'all, when I first saw this palette, my jaw dropped. That's how obsessed I became when I first saw this palette. So let me show y'all real quick, and I'm gonna show you why I'm obsessed. And this is why. This is why, you guys. This is like absolutely everything. And I keep getting it mixed up with the crap. I keep getting it mixed up with the I Need a Nude palette, but I know I don't have that one. I have this one. But this one, this color here at the bottom is my favorite. It's one of my favorites, this one here. But this one you can really do all types of makeup looks, all types, because it has like it has more like pink neutral, some tad bit of a peach in there, and some purples, and there's that black one in the corner. But yeah, this one is one of those ones where you can create all types of makeup looks and be straight up stunting on these folks. Okay. So next I have her Yucca palette. I was saying it wrong when I first got it because I kept saying Yucca, but I guess people were saying no, it's the Yucca palette, which don't sound right because it sounds like you're saying yuck. But this palette has been one of her best sellers when it first came out. And hold on. And this is what she looks like. Now let me tell you something. I believe it or not, like my husband likes when I use this palette alone because green is literally his favorite color. And every time I wear something green or like specifically around Christmas time, he'd be like, "Babe, use this palette, use this palette, use this palette." I love green, and green looks so good on you and all that stuff or whatever. But and I remember this one had everybody in a chokehold. Every single last makeup influencer, every it had everybody in a damn chokehold. Bottom line, it had even had me, it had my ass on a chokehold. Okay, that's I remember when this first came out, I literally you know pretty much ran to the Natasha Denona's website to get it. I was not going to go to Sephora and get it because I ain't got time. I don't like going to the mall, so I just said F it and just go on the website and get it. But yes, this one is beautiful with a capital B, a capital, big fat capital B. Okay, period, point blank. But yeah, this one is definitely up there with one of my favorites. It's up there. And like green, I love green, but green is more my husband's favorite color. But green, I will do not just on the holidays, but just like I don't know. Like I mean, not every uh, makeup color or whatever. You don't have to use this palette on a holiday like Christmas or something. You use it on whatever you want, on whatever occasion you want. I don't care if it's summer, fall, winter, spring. You do you, sis. You do you. You do you. But either way, I'm using it on all holiday seasons because I don't care. I do me. Lastly, I got here, this is the Natasha Denona Glam palette. Now, this was the very, very first palette that I got from Natasha Denona, the very first one. And I was literally weak in the knees when I seen a couple other girls try this on TikTok, and I literally ran to Sephora and got one. And of course, this is more like for, cool tone, neutral, cool neutral tones. And one thing I've learned about myself is that cool tones really look good on me. Don't know why. I really, really don't know why. I have a few warm tone palettes that's not Natasha Denona, but warm tones, they're cool for me. They're okay for me, but like sometimes I don't know. I don't know why. But cool tones just does it for me. Okay? I can't speak for every woman out there because some women they like warm tones. But you got people like me that like cool tones. All right? To each their own. All right? But yeah, this one was the very first palette that I bought from Natasha Denona. It's one of my all-time favorites. And, that's where, and I honestly believe that this is how my makeup journey started with this. With this palette is what started my makeup journey. So, yeah. So that was everything that I have from Natasha Denona. That was all the palettes that I showed you guys. You guys let me know in the comments your favorite Natasha Denona palettes, whether it's the ones I showed you or the ones that you have that I don't have yet. Now, I really, really want the Roxa palette. I really want that palette so bad. That's like a dream palette for me. Like that's, what I mean? Because like it has, you know, I don't know what it is about that palette, but when I first saw that palette, I screamed. Okay, I was like, "Oh my god, I want this palette," but I have not yet got it. So if you have that palette, let me know in the comments. What you think of it, and did you like it? All that stuff. Um, and of course, the another palette that I don't have is her I Need a Nude palette. I Even though I don't think I need that one. I really don't think I need that one because I feel like I said, it's too. This is just my humble opinion. This is just my humble opinion. Everybody got their own opinion. All right, but I really think that um I feel like I don't. Once again, I feel like I don't need it because I feel like this one is enough for me. The My Dream palette is enough for me. Now I know they're nowhere near the same. Okay, I know that. Okay, I know that. I just feel like I don't need it because I feel like this one it's okay. It does the job for me that I needed to do. Okay. Now, I know she had the gold palette. Don't have that one, but I don't really care for that one. That's more of a warm tone, and as I told you guys earlier, warm tones are cool for me. They're okay, but I feel like they don't. I don't know what it is, but something about warm tones, it just doesn't do it for me. Even though I have a few warm tone palettes, as I keep as I said before, but for some weird reason, I always lean towards the cooler tone palettes. But it's a nice palette nonetheless. It's a nice palette. Do not get me wrong. Okay. But yeah, those are just naming off the few ones that I don't have. But if you have those, okay, once again, let me know in the comments if you like them. What did you think of them? All that stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment. All right. So I'm going to get off here for now. And once again, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day or night, wherever it is that you're at. And talk to you later. Bye.